Good morning, students. In this class we will learn estimating sum or difference. Examples: estimate 5290 plus 17,986. We have to add this number by estimating the numbers. In the last class we have learned estimation of numbers. So here this is 4-digit number. It contains unit, tens, hundreds and thousands place. But this is 5-digit number. Here unit, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000 places are there. So while estimating the number, here digits are not same. Here 4 digits and here 5 digits. While estimating the numbers, we have to round off to which place. So we have to think about that. So here this contains 5 places and this 4 places and this contains 5 places. No, we have to take a smaller number and you have to round off to its highest place. Here highest place is 1000, but this contains 10,000 place. Even though it contains 10,000 place, we have to round it off to thousands place, because since it is round off to thousands place, so this number also must be rounded off to thousands place. So we have to see smaller number and its highest place. Both the numbers we have to round off to thousands place. Now here I will take first 17,986, 5,290 also you can take, no problem. 17,986. See, in the last class you have learned systematically how to estimate the numbers by checking these number lies between which two numbers, and if it is 5 or more than 5, nearest that is nearest to which number, checking that and rounding off. Now I will teach you shortcut method to round off the values. Any method you can follow. Now instead of writing everything systematically, shortcut method you can follow, that is easier than that. See, now we are estimating 17,986. I have written here 17,896. We have to round up to thousands place. Now this is 7 is the thousands place. Now while rounding off, you have to consider, you have to see thousands place means hundreds place digit you have to see. If the hundreds place digit is 5 or more than 5, you have to add 1 to thousands place digit. It is plus 1, children. This is plus 1. It looks like 7. It is plus 1. This is not minus. This minus is not there. Plus 1. So if you are rounding off to thousands place means you have to check hundreds place digit. If it is 5 or more than 5, we have to add 1 to thousands place. So here this is more than 5. We have to add 1 to thousands place, and we have to make this digits hundreds place, tens and units place digits 0. So 17,896 is rounded off to. Now while adding 1 to 7, now we get this will remain as it is 1, 8, and these 3 digits becomes 0, 18,000. So 5,290. See here, this is thousands place. We have to check hundreds place digit. Hundreds place digit is less than 5. So less than 5 means we don't have to add, 5 remains 5 only, and but these 3 digits becomes 0. So now we get after rounding off to thousands place 5,000. Now adding the number as usual, adding the number 0 plus 0, 8 plus 5 13, and 1 carrying, so 1 plus 1 2. So estimated sum is 23,000. Before we add, we are estimating, we are rounding off and then adding. So this is the sum. So now difference, subtraction. Estimate 5,673 minus 436. Round off to hundreds place. Why it is round off to hundreds place? This contains only till hundreds place. This contains till thousands place. But we have to consider always smaller number. Its highest place. So highest place is 100. Now both the numbers we have to round off to hundreds place. So first we will round off 5,673. 5,673 as I told you here. Now we are rounding off to hundreds place. Now we have to check tens place digit. Tens place digit is 7 more than 5. So we are adding 1 to hundreds place digit. Which place we are rounding off to that digit we are adding, or without adding writing as it is. So if you add plus 1, now we have to make these two digits 0. So 5 plus 1 7 0 0. Next 436. Here this is hundreds place digit. We have to check tens place digit. This is less than 5, so we don't have to add. 4 remains 4 only, and these two digits becomes 0. Now 436 is rounded off to 400. Now adding as usual, addition, all of you know, adding you will get 5300. So this is the estimated sum. Right here estimated sum. I left that sentence. So estimated sum we can write. Now these two sums you have to refer while doing. I am giving you homework exercise first Roman number. Second Roman number type of sums I am solving here. Give a rough estimate by rounding off nearest hundreds and also a closer estimate by rounding off to nearest 10. So example, now we are adding three numbers, 339 plus 593 plus 503, 5317. Now when you check these three numbers, now we have to round off as they have given here nearest hundreds only. Now you don't have to check that which is the big smaller number, so nearest to hundreds. So here that rounding off is called rough estimate. So rounding off nearest to hundreds, so that is rough estimate 339. So again hundreds means this is hundreds place digit, we have to check a tens place digit. It is less than 5, we don't have to add. 3 remains 3 only, and these two digits becomes 0, 300. So 593, tens place digit is more than 5, so adding plus 1, so this 3 becomes 9 and 3 becomes 0, and plus 1 means 600. 5317, even though it contains thousands place, we are rounding off nearest to hundreds. So tens place checking less than 5, so you don't have to add. So 5, 3, these two digits becomes 0. So after that usual addition, 6200 is estimated sum. Now by rounding off, they have given here in the question, we have to rough estimate by rounding off nearest hundreds and also a closer estimate by rounding off to nearest tens. So closer estimate, we are now here in this closer estimate we have to round off nearest to tens. So 339, tens place means now we are rounding off this digit, so we have to check unit place digit. If it is more than 5, we have to add. This is more than 5, so add 1 to tens place digit. So 3, 4, now we have to make this 0. It's to the left, to the right digits becomes 0, and to the left we are rounding off which place. To the left it will remain as it is, to the right it becomes 0. By checking more than 5 means adding 1 and making it 0. So 3, 4, 0. 593 again tens place we have to check less than 5, so you don't have to add. 590, and here tens place 7 more than 5, adding 1, 5320, then adding these three numbers. This is the estimated sum, closer estimate. Same way difference. So here unit, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. After that lakh, 2 lakh, 3,834 minus 38,599. Now as it is given, this is the question statement, we have to round off to hundreds and tens place. So first of all we will round off it to nearest hundreds, rough estimate. So when we round off to hundreds place, we have to check tens place digit. This is less than 5, we don't have to add, and to the left of this digit, remains as it is. So 203 as it is. 8 becomes 8 also remains as it is because 3 is less than 5. So this becomes 0, 0. We have to make to the right digits becomes 0. So here tens place digit is 9. So adding 1 to this. So 3, 8 remains as it is. 5 becomes 6. This becomes 0, 0. Then afterwards adding the numbers. Now we are rounding off nearest tens, that is called closer estimate. Same numbers, 2 lakh 3,834. Tens place means we have to check units place. So this unit place is less than 5, we don't have to add. So 20383, this becomes to the right side digits becomes 0. So 4 becomes 0. Now here tens place is more than 5, we have to add 1 to this. one more thing here, when we add here 1, it becomes 10. 10 means always we carry to the next digit. So, we have to carry 1 to this next digit. So, 3 8 remains as it is. This also becomes 1. Since this becomes 10, became 10. So, adding 1 to 5. So, this becomes 0. 10 means we are keeping 0 here and carrying 1 to next digit. So, this also becomes 0. Definitely this is a 0. After that you add, this is the sum, difference. So this is the estimated difference. So these are the example sums, simple easy sums. So by referring these example sums, now you have to do homework questions are here. See, estimate each of the following using general rule. This is like example 1 and 2. Refer those sums. 730 and 998, as I told you, use shortcut methods. And here 796 minus 314, difference. Here smaller number, place, you have to round off to thousands, because this contains 10,000 till 10,000 place. So this contains thousands place, so you have to round off to thousands place. Here also you have to round off to 10,000 place, because both contains 10,000 place. Round off to 10,000 and find the difference. Refer example 1 and 2. Next, make 10 more such examples of addition, subtraction and estimate their outcome. Your own example you can write some more. Take you have to take some numbers and add, and yourself you give questions to you and solve those sums, and give a rough estimate and also a closer estimate of estimate by rounding off to nearest tens. This is like, now here we have solved. Next, by writing heading only I solved sum. These sums you have to refer. See here, first of all you have to round off to thousands, tens, hundreds place and add. Then again that is called rough estimate, and then again you have to round off to tens place and then this, add it, that is closer estimate. Refer next example sums. Make 4 more such examples. Some questions you give to yourself and solve, and answer page also is here. Check your answer from the answer page. Thank you, students.